Dear students, good morning. A question has come from you. This is the question. An aircraft traveling at the speed of 600 km per hour accelerates steadily at 10 km per hour per second. Taking the speed of sound as 1100 km per hour at the aircraft's altitude, how long will it take to reach the sound barrier? This is the question. An aircraft traveling at 600 km per hour accelerates steadily at 10 km per hour per second. Here acceleration is 10 km per hour per second. Taking the speed of sound as 1100 km per hour at the aircraft's altitude, how long will it take to reach the sound barrier? Here we are given the initial speed of the aircraft. We take the speed of aircraft as initial velocity u, 600 km per hour. Here u is equal to 600 km per hour. It means 600 multiply 5 by 18 is equal to 300 multiply 5 by 9 1500 meter per second. The speed of sound at the aircraft's altitude is 1100 kilometers per hour. This will be taken as final velocity because this speed has to acquire by the aircraft. So it will used as final velocity V. Therefore, final velocity V is equal to 1100 kilometer per hour. It means 1100 multiply 5 by 18 मीटर पर सेकेंड. जैसे ही हम लोग 1100 किलोमीटर पर आवर में 5/18 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड. (550) will be equal to 2750 divided by 9 meter per second. Okay. Therefore, we shall find the difference between final and initial velocity v minus u. What will be 2750 divided by 9 minus 1500 divided by 9. What will be 9 1250 meter per second. Okay, this is the difference between initial and final velocity. I mean the difference of velocity of aircraft and sound. Here acceleration A is given how much? 10 km per hour per second. acceleration is given 10 kilometer per hour per second. This will be equal to 10 multiply 5 by 18. It means 25 by 9. 25 by 9 meter per second square. Okay. Here initial velocity is 1500 by 9 meter per second. Final velocity will be used of the velocity of sound, which is 1100 kilometer per hour. It means 2750 divided by 9 meter per second. 2750 divided by 9 meter per second. So difference V minus U, we have find it 1250 by 9, and the acceleration is 10 kilometer per hour per second, which will be equal to 25 by 9 meter per second square. Okay. Therefore from the first equation of motion, from first equation of motion, P is equal to V minus U divided by A, because we have find the time period, we have find the time T. Here question said how long will it take to reach the साउंड बैरियर, कहने का मतलब कितने समय के बाद यह साउंड बैरियर को तोड़ेगा, कहने का मतलब कि कितने समय बाद इसका एयरक्राफ्ट का जो फाइनल वेलोसिटी होगा वो 1100 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो जाएगा. आफ्टर हाउ मच टाइम द फाइनल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट becomes 1100 kilometer per hour. So by the first equation of motion, time will be equal to V minus U by A.